You say one step, two step na. Give it a pair. Oh, that's so sweet. Can you give it a Paris a kiss? Give it a Paris a kiss.
Yay!
Yeah. Can you give it a Paris a cuddle? A cuddle, a cuddle. Aww. How about a kiss? How about a kiss?
Kiss. Kiss.
Kiss.
Kiss.
Eh?
I get.
Bob, it's only at the Paris, Bob.
Give daddy a kiss.
How about daddy? Okay, you're lucky. You're lucky day. Nag-stop ako doon sa isang cafe para bilhan si Daddy Mike ng kanyang coffee. Kaya nga lang, nasira daw yung kanilang coffee machine. So, hindi ko nabilhan si Daddy Mike. Anyways, bumili na lang ako nito. Ayan. So, avocado toast. Sobrang daming mga ano-ano dyan sa ibabaw, oh. But, apparently, itong cafe na to, Little Hideout yung pangalan sa Balmoral. They won an award na Best Avocado Toast. So, sobrang sarap. Na-try ko na to siya before and I really like it. So, I think they deserve the award. Sobrang sarap. Anyways, I'm gonna go out now. Kasi I miss the girls. Nawagan ko si Daddy Mike kanina. And sabi niya, gising na daw yung mga kids. Pinapakain niya na daw. So, ayun, doon ko na to siya sa taas kakainin. So we'll see you there.
And then, after it grows to be a
Good morning!
it becomes really big. This one right here.
Good morning! What are you watching?
Mommy.
Wow. You see how this sun's
Hello, what are you watching, Lang Lang?
because this is an
Good girls.
Mommy.
so pretty.
Mommy.
Yes, princess.
When's Halloween? Can we go to the pumpkin patch?
And they're healthy.
Would that be a good idea? Would that be a great idea? It's gonna be a great idea.
Great idea, my love.
Because bees cross-pollinate.
What is that?
When's Halloween? Should we go to
What
the
is that?
pumpkin patch?
That. You want to open it?
Should we
Open.
buy
What's
a
inside?
pumpkin there so we can make a lantern?
What's inside?
We can draw it.
Oh, Lini! What is that?
Oh, there's lemon in it, so I love lemon.
Avocado toast. Have you been good girls, Daddy? Yes? Sure.
For sure, I was.
What did you have for breakfast?
It's yogurt,
Else.
mango, nana.
Nanya? Special shake.
Leanie had
Yeah.
one. Leanie had one too.
Hi, Lang Lang. Shish, Mama miss you. Oy, kiss Mommy. Give Mama a kiss, sabi. Give Mama a kiss, sabi.
And what did Leanie have for
Give
breakfast?
Mama a kiss.
Leanie had yogurt.
Aduh.
Leanie had a yogurt, a cheese, a little bit of steak, and a milkshake and a shake too.
Yum, yum.
Look how many drinks we have.
Mama's gonna eat that.
That usually
Wow.
you like.
Can you say wow? Lin, can you say wow? Lini, wow. Yung sabi niya nito wow eh. Wow. Wow. Can you say wow? Wow. I didn't say scream, I say wow. We'll eat that one.
Leaning. Lean. Let me say wow. Can you say wow?
Ano, wala bot si Lin.
Lean,
Wala bot. Hello, are you happy to see Mommy? Huh? Shush, don't be shy. Oh. Say hi to Tita. Oh. Hi to Tita and Tito. Hi, can you wave? Ay, shush. Gusto na niyang magdidi, guys. Gagawa muna ako ng kape ni Mama. Ha? Magkape muna si Mama na. Kanya magdidi, okay? Say hello. Hi, everyone. Kumain na pala to siya, pero naghahanap pa rin ng dede. Ang bata kapag hindi pa talaga na-win from dede, maghahanap talaga ng dede. Hello! Hello! Kami Didi. Didi. Ito, ikaw, bubuan naman si mama eh. Didi. Agoy, tingnan niyo oh. Agoy, nanguot na. Yan. So, andito na ang ating avocado. And we will boil water. Magkape si mama, ha? Ha? Magkape si mama. Sobrang sarap nito. Yummy. You wanna try some? No? You wanna try some lemon? No. I said, wow. Wow. Maldita itong batang ito, guys. Kumpara sa ating Ate Paris. Wow. Oh. Wow. Kiss na lang mama, Biggie. Mama, kiss ka. Kiss. Ano? Ayush! Arte. Bata, uy. Hey, you want some avocado? Is that silly? Time check, guys. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can see, dito tayo sa bedroom. Natutulog ang ating baby Celine. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, nagnanap siya. At ang ating Ate Paris ay nandito lang o sa baba nanonood. Hinihintay lang natin na magising si baby Celine, guys. Si Daddy Mike ay nagre-ready na. So, nagsishower na siya ngayon. Si mami nyo ay nakapagbihis na. And Ate Paris, nabihisan ko na rin. So, aalis kami. Pupunta kami na... Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung saan talaga kami pupunta. But, yung gagawin natin ay maghahanap o magtitingin si mami ng bagong phone. So, yung phone ko kasi, guys, nabasag yung likuran ng phone ko nabasag, pero that's actually fine with me. I don't mind kasi meron naman siyang cover. But then, yung cover, yung glass ng kanyang camera ay nabasag din kasi minsan pag pinapanood ko si baby Celine and she gets bored or ayaw na niya, ay tinatapon lang niya yung phone. So, nalalaglag palagi yung phone. Kaya, ayun, naging nasira yung niya, guys, yung glass niya. So, tumawag ako doon sa phone repair. And then, nag-ask ako ng quote kung magkano. So, yung phone ko, iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, meron siyang 3 camera sa likuran. So, yung dalawa lang yung nasira. So, nag-ask ko, sabi nila to change the glass sa likuran. It's $120 each. So, it means $240. And then, nag-ask na rin ako ng quote para sa likuran. Since gusto ko ipa-fix yung ng camera, yung glass ng camera, sabi ko, yung the whole likuran na lang din ipa-fix ko. So, that's another 250 something. So, all in all, yung mababayaran ay near $500. Eh, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, I'm not sure if I'm willing to pay that much. Kasi yung phone ko na to, it's already like a couple of years old. And then, maybe it's better to get a new phone. Kasi, alam niyo naman, guys, I vlog, gamit ko yung camera. And since it's broken, yung niya sa camera, hindi siya nagfo-focus, hindi ka makakakuha ng magandang picture. So, and it's very important, guys, for me. Kaya, napag-isipan ko na siguro bibili na lang ako ng bagong phone. So, yun yung gagawin namin ngayong hapon. And it's, I hope we have enough time. Kasi ito siya ay tulog pa. Oh. Kakalapag ko lang nito sa kanya. So, we'll see. Kasi, I have no issue with my phone apart from the camera. Kasi it's working fine. Text ko, everything else, internet, everything, walang problema. But yung camera lang talaga, which is the most important to me, lalo na sa, pag-vlog, Kaya, hintayin ko na lang siguro na ipa-fix yan pag uwi ko ng Pinas. Kasi, sounds like it's cheaper sa Pinas ng pagpa-fix ng ganyan kumpara dito. Sobrang mahal talaga dito, guys. Like, it's parang bagong phone na din yung binili mo kapag nagpa-fix ka. So, I'll see kung ano yung phone na makikita natin today and we'll make sure na, oh my God. Kasi, alam niyo naman, guys, wala talaga akong plano na bumili ng bagong phone. Kasi, parang dagdag siya ng gastos ba. But then, this is something na kailangan talaga. Kaya, ugutan na lang na to, guys. Anyways, kakatapos lang din namin ni Ate Paris na gumawa nito. Nak, we'll show Tita and Tito what we've done. So, ito yung ating tawag dito. From Melbourne pa to siya. So, tingnan nyo, hindi talaga maiiwasan yung mga ganyan kapag may mga bata sa bahay. So, dito, sa ibabaw nito before, dapat sana binlog ko kanina, scratched, may mga stain and everything. Like, sobrang pangit niya natingnan. Sabi ko, siguro i-dispatch ako na lang to. Kasi, bibili ako ng, kahit sa marketplace lang, yung hindi mahal. But then, nung pumunta kami ng Kmart, nakita ko to siya. Itong, baby girl. Ito siya. Ang tawag dito basta, wallpaper, something ganun. Ayan. Pero, adhesive siya ba? Pwede siyang So, kami dalawa na Ate Paris ginawa namin, guys, and I'm so impressed. Sobrang ganda niya. Tingnan i-move natin ito. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Sinong makapagsabi na sa ilalim ay sobrang dumi nito sa ilalim, guys. Grabe. Scratch up and everything. Pangit talaga tingnan. Gusto ko na talagang itapon. But, it looks parang bago. Parang new look. So, I'm going to do this here as well. Siguro para maging pantay at mas maganda siyang tingnan. Kasi, ayan. So, may bago na namang susulatan ng baby Celine na ating Ate Paris. Sobrang nasiyahan talaga ako dyan, guys. It's very worth it yung aking pagbili nito. So, may naiwan pa. Gagamitin ko to doon sa ating tallboy. Hindi ko na ipapakita. Very messy there. Pero, sobrang scratch up din yun. Yung sa ibabaw noon. So, gagamitin natin to. We can save hundreds of dollars. Kasi, hindi to sila cheap, guys. Yung mga ganito. Especially kung bago yung bibilhin mo. Unless, bibili ka sa marketplace na may mga, cheaper price. But that one looks really good. Especially na pag nilagyan na natin dito. So, happy with that. Ayan, natutulungan tayo ng ating Ate Paris. Very long, yeah?
I know.
So, ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Ayan, diba? Stains. Ito pa yung namin sobrang old na nito, guys. Marketplace pa namin to binili nung nasa Melbourne kami. Diba? So, hindi siya magandang tingnan. Ayan. Pero hindi siya, ang tawag dito? Like, stain talaga siya. Hindi na talaga siya matatanggal kahit anong gawin mo. Tapos dito pa, parang, nung pag-move namin, nadaganan siya ng ibang furniture. So, ayan. Pangit na tingnan, diba? But, with this, matatransform natin siya, guys. See? That's the before, ha? Makita ko sa inyo. Ang after. Alin na, ti. Fold it, ti. Where's the scissors?
I can put anywhere.
Huh?
I can put anywhere.
Hala. Okay. Kakasya naman siguro. Do you think it will fit, ti?
Which one?
Here. You reckon?
Maybe you cut it.
Okay. Sobrang saya ko talaga doon. Very nice. Natuwa talaga ako, guys. Grabe. Kung pwede ako maglagay ng review nito, I will. Hang on, I'll tell you. Okay? Let me just do it here. So that's the result. Diba? Oh, diba? Can you see the difference kanina? Oh. See, ibabaw lang talaga kasi the rest of the tall boy, wala naman siyang problema. Konting scratches lang yan. Pero dito, ay sobrang hala, ano siya dito? Oh, nagbabol pala siya dito. Oh, no. Parang ano lang din eh, screen protector ng phone ba? Nagbababo. Pero hindi naman siya halata. Diba? Super nice talaga. Parang may apply ko to kahit saan na gusto ko. Parang bata lang ako, guys. Na sobrang sisiyahan dito. Minsan lang itong mangyari, ha? Good job. Ate. Good job. Very messy. Ate. Thank you. For helping.
Thanks for helping me.
No, I'm saying thank you for helping me.
A few moments later.
It's nearly 3 o'clock and we're at the shops. Just arrived. Ding!
Ding dong.
Ding dong. We're just waiting for the... How do you call that now? How do you call that? Huh? What is it? Investigator?
Yeah.
Elevator.
Elevator.
Yeah.
I'll just do that again.
What is it?
Elevator.
Ooh, good job. What is it now? Elevator. Can you say elevator? Wait, Celine was like, oh, nalito mo yung buhok na. Kailangan namin pagisingin. Eh, late na ba? Baka mag-close yung shop. Oh, sit properly, anak. What are you doing? Why are you takiliding man? Huh? Ala, silly girl. Sabi diyan? Nandito na kami sa loob, guys. Tingnan niyo ang Apple shop. Oh my God. 1 million tao sa loob. Ha? Have a look. Oh! So many people. My goodness. Look at this one. Hindi kami pupunta dyan. Doon kami sa Vodafone pupunta. Yes. Super busy today, ha? Daming tao.
Lenny. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Oi.
We're here at Vodafone. You okay?
Just
Ate nag-fire sa hindi maganda ang pakiramdam. Have a look at this far na. Osi. That is there now, guys. Hinahabol ko itong batang ite eh. iPhone 14 Pro Max.
look. I got this.
Nearly 5 o'clock. Mag-close na yung shop soon. So, quickly, umorder ako ng bunbue, yung Vietnamese spicy beef noodle soup, yung favorite ni mami nyo. Kasi nagutom, okay? So, natapos na doon, guys. Nakakuha tayo ng phone. So, yung phone na kinuha natin ay yung iPhone 14 Pro Max. Gold. It's 256GB. Kasi currently yung phone ko ngayon is 256. Kailangan ko talaga ng memory, guys. Kasi nga, pag nag-i-edit, sa phone lang ako nag-i-edit, kailangan kong may storage. And then, oh, Baba. The bad news is, hindi muna natin... Wait, are you okay? Oh, you want noodles, okay? No? Basa talaga. Lenny girl. What is it you want?
She wants water.
Do you want water? Give me the water, Ate Be. Ma-attitude talaga itong ating Celine, guys. Yung water? Nak, give me the water, Ate Be, please. Tares. So, yung bad news, guys, ay hindi pa natin dala yung phone ngayon. Eh, dito, awan natin. Kasi, yung nangyari, so we went through Vodafone. Kasi yung phone ko kasi, guys, hindi, itong phone na to, hindi to siya from Vodafone, pa yung, okay, Hanak, here it is, okay? Relax. Dada. What is it, my love? Do you want more water? Stop. What happened? Ala na, ang sarap na yung yoyo eh. Okay, put it back. Beanie is there. Nag-close na yung mga shops, guys. Tignan nyo. Close kasi it's 5 o'clock. Lini girl! Shh! Daddy! Celine, baba! Celine! Dance? It's a good dance. Bishop. I get up, get down on. Oh. Good girl.
Yeah. Mommy.
Oh. Give it to her, ate. Ba? O, singgita na po na karong sulong ko. Ayun, siya na mo. Ang bata nga ulitan. Ang bata nga ulitan. Ala, guba anak.
Sorry.
So, we're home. Hindi natapos yung chika ko doon kanina nung kumakain ako kasi nalobat yung ating battery para sa ating camera. So, balik tayo doon sa chika ko. So, na-process na lahat. Pero, yung phone ay hindi pa natin dala ngayon kasi the color and yung 256GB na phone ay hindi available at the moment. So, yung ginawa namin, ipapadeliver na lang namin dito sa bahay. So, hindi na ako pupunta ng shops ulit. And, ETA is the 27th of October. Magagamit ko pa naman yung phone ko for any other things except from taking photos. Yung video, minsan okay yung video. But, yung photo talaga hindi siya nagfo-focus. Hindi nakakakuha ng magandang, ng picture. Dito. Hi! Ay! Anya, mama. How are you, no? Ate Paris today. How are you, Ate Paris?
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Like a mother.
I know. Okay. What was it you were trying to say? Huh? No, ay ngipon nga lihang. Ngipon nga lihang. Say, yeah? Were you talking to someone on the phone?
No.
No? Okay, careful. Na kayo lihok na.
Oh.
No? Can you say, wow?
No.
Wow! Wow! Ay, naku. Ngayon alam na niyang maglakad, guys. Ah, goodness.
Wow.
Ay! Pag hindi mo sinasabihan na gawin niya, gagawin niya. Ay, nako talaga, ay. Nako talaga, ay. Ikaw, bye. Here. Look at here. Look in the camera. Uy, papakil. Look in the camera and you say bye. Here.
Wow.
Say bye.
Wow.
Ay. Yeah. You say 1 step, 2 step na. Say 1 step, 2 step, and a tickly under there.
1 step, 2 step, and
No. 1 step, 2 step, and a tickly under there.
1 step, 2 step, and
Yeah. Say wow. Can you say wow, ate? For sure, fellas.
Wow.
Say wow.
Wow.
Wow ba wow? Give it a pair. Oh, that's so sweet. Can you give it a Paris a kiss? Give it a Paris a kiss.
Yay!
Yeah. Can you give it a Paris a cuddle? A cuddle? A cuddle. Aww. How about a kiss? How about a kiss?
Kiss.
Kiss.
Eh?
Again?
Kiss. Kiss. Give that a kiss.
Mom, it's only an embarrassed mom.
Give daddy a kiss.
How about daddy? Kala you're lucky. You're lucky na eh. How about mama? How about mama? Kiss mama.
Give mama a kiss.
Mama kiss? Ay, shush! Kanin mo eh.
Mama. Give daddy a kiss. Now.
Kiss.
Give daddy a kiss. Lady.
That's enough. Enough. Celine is that enough is enough.
Give daddy a kiss.
Oh. Enough is enough na Lingling, yeah? Careful.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday, Friday, Sunday,
Because
Friday!
you think too much, that's why.
I don't.
Yeah, if you just like let it go, you know it. Okay, you do it yourself. I'm not gonna count it.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know. I wasn't thinking really too much. I was thinking a little bit.
He's been saying it correctly before.
Are you vlogging? Oh.
Yeah, fucking.
So, I got it the days of the week. Today and nighttime. And that was before. It's Monday. It's Tuesday. It's Saturday. Friday. Sunday. Saturday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Silly day.
Yeah, you're silly. Come on, you can do it.
Monday. You might do your finger. Mommy, can you say it again to me? Can you say it to me again, the days of the weeks?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay.
Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Again. Again, do it again, Mommy. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Correct. Well done.
Well,
Nag-late snack si Ate Paris, guys. Siya, tita, what you're having.
cheese and strawberries.
Mommy's having nilagang mani.
Peanuts.
Mani.
No, it's called peanuts.
It's mani.
It's called peanuts.
That's why mani in Tagalog, in Bisaya.
Oh,
Sabi? Mani. That's one word for you today.
money. Money.
Eat na. Your food.
It's not money.
What is ice?
Give me
Ma.
Matam. Mansi.
Mata.
Matam. Okay, ice again.
What's ice?
Matam.
Good job. We finished the umba. We're going to bed now. She's got milk now, guys. Oh, she's ready for bed. I'm just gonna finish this and then we will.
Look how big I am. Look at my string.
String.
Go.
Uy.
I'm gonna put you.
Come on, naman. Finish na ba? So we can go na. Tignan niyo ang kanyang mata. Oh, very sticky na yan. Ow! Oh, ito yung, nakita ko pala guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko ba? So, I don't know. Yan siya sira. Oh, ayan. So, broken. Ito siya ay okay. But
Can I
these
see?
two are broken.
I know.
Tapos yung
I
button.
know which one is broken. This,
Don't touch
that one and
the
that one.
glass.
Why did
Ayan. So, yan yung dahilan kung bakit
How did it
kailangan
get
natin
broken?
bumili ng bagong phone.
how did it get broken?
You dropped them.
Huh?
You dropped this one.
I didn't.
Are you sure?
I sure I didn't. I didn't, Mommy. I didn't drop it. I didn't drop it
But yeah.
anywhere.
So, we're just gonna finish this and then we will take her to bed. That's about it for today's video, guys. We'll just end the vlog here now. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can,
Careful. Bye.
bye.
Mwah.